Knights in shining armor, kings, monks, castles, lavish banquets. These are images commonly associated with the Middle Ages, a period from around 500 to 1500 CE. However, in reality, life in the Middle Ages was not necessarily so glamorous. In fact, for people who lived in Europe during the Middle Ages, life was difficult. There were wars that lasted years and years. There was a lack of clean water for drinking and washing. Sometimes severe weather ruined crops and caused famines. Life during the Middle Ages was harsh and unforgiving. Then, in 1347, things got worse. Trade ships traveling from Asia landed in Europe. On board those ships were rats carrying a contagious bacterial disease known as the bubonic plague. It caused a pandemic called the Black Death. Once the disease reached land, it spread through Europe quickly. The disease was transmitted from the rats to humans by the bite of infected fleas. Millions of bodies piled up in the streets. They were removed by bubonic plague corpse collectors who hauled bodies to burial sites. Back then, nobody understood what caused the deadly disease, and they didn't know how to treat or cure it. But many people tried. Some physicians created potions, other physicians practiced bloodletting. There were a lot of people who believed the plague was a punishment from God. Some very religious groups called flagellants whipped themselves in the hope that God would forgive them. Some people left their cities and towns and isolated themselves from others. That was something that did help to save lives. From 1347 to 1351, the Black Death killed an estimated 25 million people in Europe. The drastic loss of population changed the dynamics between the classes, causing peasants to revolt. Chaos ignited throughout Europe in the aftermath of the plague.